Hello, welcome to Grace Garden Florist. I'm Carol Kanicki, and today we're going to be making a lovely Christmas centerpiece for a dear client of mine. I'm thankful that you've come along. Please make sure you're subscribed, and let's get to it. We are getting ready to put together some flower arrangements in a Christmas themed flower arrangements. Right now I'm going to work on this one in a footed vase. It's going to be a centerpiece on a table, and we've got lots of greens to work with. Beautiful greens, very fragrant greens, and some nice filler, nice accent flowers and berries. So let's get started. Okay, I have chosen out from my collection here some greens to start myself out with. Some of them are nice and soft and easy to work with. Some of them are pretty prickly. You might want to wear gloves, but definitely require a little bit more of a gingerly treatment when you're handling them.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belt. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. I pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening.
Before I go any farther, let me insert the candles.
Oh, it's such a charm, got you up in my arm. There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes and hang a wreath on your door. It's Christmas and outside snow's glistening. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.
Now this is from a shrub that I know that is supposed to be yellow on the tips. So that's not a problem. That's not something. It's not dying. It's supposed to be yellow, but I really don't want the yellow in my arrangement, so I'm taking it off. I'll put that in somewhere else in my house because it smells good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this festive tutorial. Please make sure you're subscribed and have a wonderful day. Thank you.